I've been doing this for a minute. I can't believe you're like an amoeba. What are you absorbing it through your skin like
Yes,
that?
Mr.
I know you would never lie to me.
Hold up, Mr.
I mean, no, you hold up. Don't tell me to hold up. You sit up there and tell me.
I'm not lying to you, Mr. Simpson.
Oh, we don't want to do that. We're done. We're done.
Do I smoke weed, baby?
We're done.
Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Watkins, who's present. Judge, state your name, Mr.
Lawrence
Watkins.
Watkins.
Your Honor, at this time, I believe Mr. Watkins will be waiving his preliminary examination.
Before we do that, we have a violation report. Do you see that,
Yes, Your Honor, I did see the report.
Mr. Allen? What do you want?
Your Honor, I did. I received the report yesterday. I haven't seen any of the underlying tests. It's my understanding that there was a positive test for cocaine several weeks or in mid-November, if my recollection serves me right. He was counseled for that. It was he has not had any other positive tests since. There has been multiple tests. Your Honor has the report.
I do.
Your Honor, Mr. Watkins reports that he has not used cocaine. He has not used marijuana since being ordered not to. And that's why I was hoping to.
Hold on, before he says that, if you want me to call over and get the amount.
Well, that's what I was wondering, Judge, if the lab amounts were if the amounts were going down progressively with each test, that would be indicative of.
Can I speak, Simpson?
You can if you want to, but you might want to let your attorney talk to you.
No, I don't mind speaking at all. I mean, as far as the marijuana, Mr. Simpson.
What started as a routine probation hearing quickly became a tense courtroom confrontation. Mr. Watkins insisted that he had not used marijuana or cocaine and repeatedly told the judge that he would never lie to him. But the judge had serious questions after reviewing the drug test results, especially because the cocaine level appeared in his system despite his explanation that he had only touched cocaine found in an old jacket.
Like I said, since the day I've been going over there, I haven't smoked weed since. And I have no reason to lie to you. Why would I lie to you? I can just tell you the truth. I would just tell you, yes, I smoked, but I haven't smoked marijuana since. As far as the cocaine, like I told my attorney, I was going through my old clothes. Like I wouldn't lie to you. I would have no reason to lie to you at all. I'm doing great in my life. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing. I showed up to court. You didn't have to put a warrant out for me.
Can you order the results of the marijuana? I need levels.
Yeah, please. I haven't smoked at all, period, Mr. Simpson. If I did, I would tell you I have no reason to lie to you. And I can just simply say, yeah, I smoked, I slipped up here and there, but I never have. I never smoked since the day I've been through the report, not one time. Not one time have I smoked, period. Not once.
So what's up with the cocaine?
I told you, like I was going through my clothes. I can talk, I don't mind talking. And I found some cocaine in my pocket. The only thing I did was took it out of my pocket, Mr. Simpson. That's all I did. And took it straight to I could have sold it. I could have did a whole lot of stuff with it. But I told you I'm doing so good in my life right now. I took it straight to the toilet stool and flushed it. I have no reason to lie, Mr. Simpson.
So why is it showing up in your system?
I don't know. I just touched it, Mr. Simpson. I never used cocaine in my life, ever. Just touching it.
You know,
Mr. Simpson, I would never.
No, listen. I've been doing this for a minute. I can't believe you're like an amoeba. What are you absorbing it through your skin like
Yes,
that?
Mr. Simpson.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Simpson, I promise you.
Give me the levels on the cocaine too, please.
Yeah, please, Mr. Simpson. I wouldn't lie to you. I have no.
Okay.
Why would I
So
lie to you?
here's what I'm. Yes.
The levels for the cocaine were actually included in the original report the court has. It's a pretty small print. It does say 162 nanograms per milliliter for the cocaine.
Mr. Watkins continued trying to explain himself, saying that he had found cocaine in some old clothing, removed it, and immediately flushed it down the toilet. He insisted he had never used cocaine in his life. But the judge wasn't convinced. His response was blunt and sarcastic, questioning how simply touching cocaine could somehow cause measurable levels to appear in someone's system.
Oh, I see it. They put it in there.
And it was confirmed.
And I sent that to the. I had.
So
Go ahead, Mr. Simpson.
I don't know how you get 152 million. How do you do that?
Can I talk, Mr. Simpson?
I would,
Well, you've been talking.
No, listen, please, let me clear this up to you. There's no
You're not
way,
doing a very good job.
Mr. Simpson, I know you want him to talk, but let me talk, please.
No, I'll let anybody talk that wants to talk to me. I'm just telling you, you are not helping yourself.
I know, I don't see how, since I would never lie to you, ever. Ever. I've never used cocaine in my life. Only thing I did was touch it. Ms. Willard was right there when I showed her. And I took it straight to I don't know if it stayed in my system when I flushed it or whatever, but I could take a lie detector test. I've never used cocaine in my life, Mr. Simpson.
How does it stay in your system when it didn't get there?
When it didn't get there.
so,
You took cocaine out of some old clothes,
Right.
took it right from there to the bathroom.
I didn't say old cloud out of a jacket I had that was in storage, Mr. Simpson. I would never.
Okay, and then I know you would never lie to me.
Okay.
And so then you didn't do anything with that cocaine.
Mr. Simpson, I
And
never.
then somehow or another that gets into your system
Yeah,
at these levels.
Mr. Simpson.
Oh, you've
Yeah.
got to be kidding.
Okay, listen.
Tell you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait for the levels to come across. In the interim, Mr. Allen, take him back, put him in, and then we'll bring you back out,
Okay,
and then I'll do that.
okay,
I've let you talk.
I know. Can I just say one more thing?
Sure.
Listen, Mr. Simpson, this is what I'm trying to tell you. I call every week and go drop, right? If I'm using cocaine, there's no way in the world I would have went.
The judge then asked for the actual laboratory levels rather than relying only on the initial report. The results showed a confirmed cocaine level, while the marijuana metabolite levels had generally been declining. The defense argued that the downward trend was encouraging and suggested that additional testing could prove Mr. Watkins was continuing to stay clean.
Over there and drop. I would have came in. I would have called over there, told him something, and missed the whole thing, Mr. Simpson. I would have missed it. I would have made an excuse. I would have went to the hospital, or I could have said this: "Oh, somebody put some cocaine in the weed, and I accidentally smoked, and it was in the weed." I could have told you all of that, but I'm telling you the honest to God truth, Mr. Simpson. The honest to God truth. I did not smoke no weed, and if I'd have did that, I could have told you that. You're a fair guy. You've been fair with me every time I came in here. Every time I ever came and seen you, you always been fair with me. So I wouldn't stand in front of you and lie to you. And if I did use cocaine, I would ask for help. I've been doing good for 18 months, period. Working every day, taking care of Miss Willard grandmother for 10 months straight. I never lied to you, Mr. Simpson. I wouldn't do that when I know I can ask you for help.
Okay. I'm gonna get levels and then deal with your case at some other point. But right now, you're gonna go with my bailiff. We'll get that information, and then we'll bring you back out.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Simpson.
Unless you want me to.
No,
wait.
no, I don't.
Okay,
I really
but if you
don't.
keep talking, it's gonna be tomorrow.
All right, thank you.
Okay, stop talking. Good, there we
I
go.
wouldn't lie to you.
Okay, I know you wouldn't lie to me. I'm an amoeba. Leave me alone. I'm not gonna read these files. I'm just gonna absorb them. What? Court does call the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Lawrence Watkins.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, who's standing here on my right. State your name.
Lawrence Watkins.
All right. A couple of things. First of all, we have sent to counsel
But the judge focused on one major problem: the numbers had dropped significantly and then suddenly increased again. That made the judge question Mr. Watkins's explanation. He told him that the issue wasn't simply the test result, it was honesty. The judge wanted Mr. Watkins to stop making excuses and tell the court exactly what had happened.
levels.
Yes, Your Honor, I did receive I did receive them both by email and a printout, and I have shown them to Mr. Watkins. I would. They do. This is for THC. I'm assuming it's for the metabolite, not active. They do show that they're progressively going down, and then well, the document speaks for itself, obviously. There is a slight jump from 1210 to 1217 of about,
Slight?
well, I mean,
Okay.
well, when we look at
Compared
the,
to where it was, yeah.
yeah, and I mean, it's 28. I think the bar graph is probably, it starts at 60. I mean, if it started at 0, 1210 and 1217, 1210 would be about 2/3 the size of 1217, not 1/10. It does, I don't know if certain things, obviously our body metabolizes things at a different rate. There's a significant reduction in the late month of in late November. I don't know if these metabolite levels can go up with things like hydration or, just how active we've been in the way our body's metabolizing. I do know that since October 29th, even in the worst case scenario, these levels have gone down well over 100, looks like over 130 points. I'd ask the court to, if the court's concerned about this.
Mr. Watkins became increasingly emotional. He insisted that he had been working consistently, taking care of his girlfriend's grandmother, paying child support, and trying to rebuild his life. He reminded the judge that he had previously received chances when his life was going in the wrong direction. He argued that if he had actually used cocaine, he would simply admit it and ask for help rather than lie in court.